Good morning. We're going to start off on page 304 in your book. Looks like this one right here. So we're going to do some more practice looking at multiplying fractions using arrays. So let's get to it. The first question is 1/3 times 1/2, and you have just an empty box there on your page. So you are going to fill in 1/3. I want you guys to do this along with me today. And we'll do a few questions together, and then I will let you do some on your own. So you have filled in 1/3. Please make sure that you're getting in the habit of labeling the 1/3. Now it's times 1/2. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in 1/2. And what you see if you do this properly is you've got one section here that is shaded in twice. So you shaded it in yellow and you shaded it in blue. And that is the really important piece for us figuring out what the correct answer for our question is. So I'll look at it like this. I've got the whole shape is cut into 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which makes that my denominator. And one of those pieces has been shaded in twice. So one of the pieces has been shaded in twice. That's my numerator. So 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. So half of 1/3 is 1/6. Your second question, 1/3 times 1/4. Well, this one starts off very similar to the other one. There we have it, 1/3. So you want to shade in 1/3 of your diagram. From there, we will cut it into 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, again, make sure you are labeling your fractions. Here is 1/4. So we are looking at 1/4 of 1/3. So my entire diagram looks like this. I've got one piece that's been shaded in twice. And I have 12 shaded boxes, or 12 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. One of them has been shaded twice, so the answer is 1/12. Now you might be thinking, Mrs. Maskew, is my numerator always going to be 1? Well, let's take a look at a question where it's not. So here's our next question. There it is, 4/10 times 1/4. I could do it like this if I want, and I'm going to get more boxes than I need to have, and I'm going to have a lot of work to do at the end. Instead, I'm going to look at this fraction here, 4/10, and I'm going to recognize that 4/10 is actually 2/5 if I put it in lowest terms. So this is the question I'm going to do, 2/5 times 1/4. That way I'm going to have a whole lot less boxes and less work to do at the end. So there I've shaded 2/5, 1, 2 out of 5. Now I'm going to shade in 1/4. And again, I keep labeling all of my pieces. So I've got 1/4. Well, if I look at this one, it's a little bit different than all the others because now I've got 2 pieces that have been shaded in twice. So again, I'm going to count the total number of pieces. I have 20 boxes. Okay, there's 20 boxes. 2 of them have been shaded in twice. So the answer is 2/20. And I know that there's a better answer than 2/20. If I put it in lowest terms, I end up with 1/10. So you have a choice of assignments today. Mrs. Maskew never gives choices, but today you have a choice. So option number 1, make a video of yourself doing exactly what I've been doing for the last 5 minutes. teaching how to do one of the remaining 2 questions on page 304. So there's 2 questions left. You choose which one you want. Teach how to do it. So you can use any format you want to film your video. You could do exactly what I've done. You could do it on paper and show yourself writing it up, but I want to hear you talking and explaining how you've done it. If you choose to do the video, I talked to Mr. Thullner. He said the easiest way for you to send me videos, if you haven't done so before and don't already have a way of doing it, would be to film it, upload it to your Google Drive, and then you can share it with me. So if you do that, my email address is right here, smaskew@wsd1.org. If you have another way of sending it to me, no problem, doesn't matter. If you're shy and you don't want to do a video, that's fine. You can do some IXL. So you will do IXL grade 8 D11, which will take you longer than filming the video, but that might be the one you want to do. So let's get that done today, get it sent on, and then you can enjoy your weekend. All right, bye for now.